a lot thicker over time if you do this constantly. So it looks good and it has a practical use, and don't we love that? All you need is this, and preferably this, but you can use an eyebrow brush. I'm really broken out at the moment because I've been in the sun, but I wasn't going to film, but then I thought, no, should be showing that it's normal to have spots. So as you can see at the moment, my eyebrows are just a bit flat and boring. We obviously can't get our brows done, nails done, hair, anything like that because we're on lockdown. So I thought this would be a good little at-home trick. You know, if you go into the shops, if you're going downstairs, see your boyfriend or your family, or just for yourself like me. I'm gonna try and put you down in an acceptable manner. So what I'm just gonna do first is I've got this Vaseline, this one. I think I'm just gonna use my top one, but I don't really think it matters. I just take out a scoop with my finger. I've got clean hands, obviously. And then I just take it between my fingers and rub it in to heat it up like that. This is really quick, by the way, so it might actually be a quick video for once. Where am I gonna look at myself? Here? Is that covering up? Yeah, I'll do it here. Until it's like a nice and wet. And so I just literally plonk it on like that. And then what I do here is, and this is quite important if you want to grow your eyebrows, this really promotes the growth of the hair follicles. I'm talking like I really know what I'm talking about, but don't be misleaded by me, I really don't. But I've been doing this for a very long time and I can confirm it does work. So I literally just rub it like this in circles. And I do this for quite a long time, to be honest. I probably will fast forward. Castor oil is pretty good for hair growth as well, but Vaseline is better for this actual look. A lot of the time you will get like a few hairs coming out. That's just loose hairs. I haven't got any. Oh, I've got one there. Not that you really need to see it, to be honest, but yeah. So that looks a bit grey now, and I'm going to do the same with the other side quickly. Take the remains and just put it on my eyelashes because this also helps with the growth. Don't do too much though. I used to put like this on every single day and I'd get some like white spots over here because the eye area is really sensitive and it does transfer, but I literally just put the remains on. I think it actually makes them look a bit thicker as well. So that's also another win. Also feels really nice on the eyelashes. Oh, that doesn't look good, does it? Okay, now we do the eyebrow lamination part. Because the Vaseline's quite sticky and a little bit dense, you can just take your brush. I've just got a little brush spoolie here, but you can just use the end of a makeup brush. But you should probably clean it maybe. But I don't think it matters that much, to be honest. You can do it every day and it's good for your brows. Need I say more? Brush up the eyebrows like this. That is one attractive eyebrow. And then you look at that. Wipe off the excess Vaseline like that. And there we have it, fluffy, laminated brow. Perfect for a Tesco's trip. So make them a lot thicker over time if you do this constantly. So it looks good and it has a practical use, and don't we love that? Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.